Hi guys, welcome back on Tech Aid. We are providing you practical solutions to your problems, whether it's a simple hack or a step-by-step guide. We have got you covered. In this video, I will gonna show you that how to change language in Trello. First of all, you can open the Trello application. I can already open the app. After opening the app, I can tell you that Trello doesn't provide any feature to change the language in app. If you can change the language, you can just simply go to the general settings on your device. After going to the settings, you can just simply scroll down and down. You will find the option apps, tap on it, and here you can search Trello. Now tap on Trello, and here you can see the option language. Tap on it and you can just simply choose the language, and this is the way you can change language on Trello. If you want to keep your online activity private and access to restricted contents like I do, trying using a VPN. It's secure, easy to use, and makes a browsing safer. The link to buy is in the description below. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more practical solutions. Got questions or need extra help, drop a comment below and we will be happy to assist. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.